So we're approaching, excuse me, we're approaching the trailhead for one of our first stops. Near the trailhead is this lovely cabin right here. Kind of looks like it's full of deadites. Couple points extra credit if you can identify the movie with deadites in it. Anyways, so what are we going to look at over here? We're going to take a look at this overlook over here. Now, I'm going to do some things that I'm going to be slightly more willing to take on danger than I would really want you to be. So if you come here alone, don't say I saw Dr. Eby do it, so that's why I did it. Just don't do that, okay? Because the college can get sued if you get hurt, and I don't want that to happen. And I suppose the college, I guess they can't get sued if I get hurt. So I guess I'm far more expendable than you. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to take a look at that crack, and we're going to take a look at that cliff over there. So looking at this cliff, woo, once again, we've got kind of a Blair Witch project going on. So in this lab, you're going to have to, there we go, identify features that you can see. So this is, in this lab, we're going to call this Stop 2. And I want you to take a look, see if you can see any particular features that are listed that would help identify it as an emergent coast or a submergent coast. So I want you to look around here. Okay, so I'm also going to take some static pictures that will also be helpful. Another thing we have at Stop 2 is this right down here. And this, you can see how close I am to the cliff. You can see how close I am to the cliff. This right here is a great example of tilt. So it's beautiful tilt seated on top of limestone bedrock. Hopefully you'll be able to hear that in the video. Let me turn around the camera. Can I do that while it's... I guess I can't do that while it's live. So, if we look down over here, you see some really lovely till, okay, with roots sticking out of it. Also, this is kind of a cool spot for me because I'm this is my 8th year at JCC, teaching at JCC. And I come out here every year. I've come out here since my very first year here. And so I've been able to watch this crack here evolve. So this started out as a little tiny joint. My gosh, it's big this year. This started out as a little tiny joint that I could just step over really easily. And now I have to basically hop over a chasm to get to the other side. So step on those roots there and hop this way. I am in no way advocating that you do this. Wow, this might actually be too wide this year. Yeah, it's actually too wide this year. That's super cool. So usually I just hop over, but this is way bigger than it's ever been. So, looking at that coast right there, trying to identify if it's emergent or submergent, what kind of coast it matches up to, and also looking at these features down here, looking at this till overlying that limestone, okay? And I could show you with acid right now, but that will fizz because that definitely is limestone.